Welcome to your home sweet home here in Beverly Hills, Florida. This fantastic property is truly move-in ready. Brand new carpeting. You've got nice light fixtures throughout, freshly painted interior. So it's a blank canvas for you to personalize this home to your liking. Bring your bags, bring your boxes and your suitcases, and just move right in. So right off the bat, you notice we have a nice open living area here with the dining and the living room. And to the left side is the bedrooms and the full bathroom. There's 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath and then a powder room. So the house is a little over 1,300 square feet of living, heated and cooled. And I'll just walk you around so you can take a look at everything. Utility closet here. We've got the full bathroom. Everything has been wonderfully maintained, very clean, and again, just nice and neutral. So you can do whatever you would like with it. Good linen closet there. We have the first bedroom, and these are double pane windows. These here are tilt windows, so for very functional cleaning, they tilt inward when you go to clean them. Second bedroom. You're noticing there's fans and light kits in both of the bedrooms, so you'll be nice and comfortable. Now this house has had a lot of updates and upgrades to it. The roof was just put on a few months ago in June. The HVAC is from 2021, so it's just a few years old. New water heater and new electric panel just installed. So all your big ticket items have been taken care of. So what a great kitchen. We've got granite countertops, lots of cabinets, again, very neutral colors, a nice stainless steel appliance package, including a dishwasher there right next to the sink. Lots of cabinet storage. Laundry room here off of the kitchen. And then off the laundry room is the guest powder room. It's very conveniently located if you're doing work in the nice yard here and you need to just come in and go to the bathroom. You can pop right in and you're not traipsing all over the house. So that's handy. This is the oversized 1-car garage. So there's room to park a good sized vehicle and also have room for storage. We've got the new water heater, and this closet here is where your air handler is. Also attic access here, and the service door is great for getting out into the backyard. Again, if you're coming in and out doing some yard work, that's a very convenient access point. Laundry tub just off of the laundry room. Now I'm going to take you out back. This is our Florida room, or all season room. This is included in the 1,300 square footage that I've quoted you. So this room, as you can see, is heated and cooled, so you have comfort in this room all year long. There's an additional wall unit if you want to do some extra cooling, but it is tied into the main air conditioning. Lots of windows, beautiful place to sit and just enjoy the yard and nature. We've got a nice patio here and an additional patio area off of this area that's perfect for grilling. Nice size yard, some great privacy aspects in this yard. Absolutely beautiful. So this is a fantastic home. If you're not familiar with Beverly Hills, Florida, we are centrally located here. The Suncoast Parkway is not too far, and it takes you straight to Tampa in less than an hour. And we've got Ocala to the north. It's a quick commute. You've got a lot of shopping and dining, and this area is absolutely growing and blooming with new development, restaurants and shopping, all kinds of great things. So you would be moving to an area that is really starting to just flourish and thrive, and almost a mini Tampa now for Beverly Hills. So fantastic home, just right with the 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and I'd love to tell you more about it, so please reach out to me. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group of eXp Realty. And at RES Luxury Group, we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426.